turning off red receipts on Instagram is actually very simple, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is launch up your Instagram application, and once that's launched up, you're going to go to your profile by clicking on the profile icon at the far right of the bottom navigation. Now once we're here, we're going to go to the top navigation. We're going to click on the hamburger at the far right of it, and once we click on it, it's going to go to settings and privacy. Now what we want to do is we want to scroll down till we see the header that says how others can interact with you, and right under that header, the first option we have is messages and story replies. We're going to click on that, and from here we're going to go to show red receipts, and we're going to click on that, and then here we're going to turn off red receipts or read receipts. Now, once you turn it off, it should be turned off. Now, that's how to turn off red receipts on Instagram. And if you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.